What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I kind of just want to go over the merch store. A lot of people have been asking for merch over the course of my channel. And we did do some stickers in the beginning, but now we officially got our merch store up. Link will be in the description below, as well as in all of the videos coming forward. It'll be in the description below. But on the merch store, currently we have shirts, stickers, some masks, and we have shot glasses available as well. But also it won't be just Fitted Squad stuff. Like, I have my wife brand on there as well, the Princess Palace collection. So it won't be just stuff for guys and car stuff related, but it will have mostly car stuff on there. But this is one of the shirts, a regular traffic shirt. We do have them in white and black, but we have a few different sayings. One of my favorites so far is the Only Nissan shirt. It's like OnlyFans, but it says Only Nissans. I like that one, pretty dope for Altima. I like that shirt as well. Then I got the NWO Nissan World Order, as well as some Static Life, Bag Life, and things of those nature shirts up there as well. Fitted Squad, of course, got a few designs for that, and a Nissan Times Infinity brand shirts. It's quite a lot on the site itself, so definitely link will be in the description below. But currently we only have large, extra large, and 2X, but we're going to be adding other sizes shortly. If you go to the site and your size isn't there, you can always send us an email to place an order for special sizes, and we'll kind of go for there. The email will be in the description below as well, but it's basically 2Fitted at B-Rad-Visions.com, and that's B-Rad. But yeah, definitely like to thank you all for the support and helping us launch this as well. Yeah, most shirts come in black and white. I think it's maybe one or two that only comes in black. We're going to, once we do like another release, we might do some other colors. So if you have any suggestions on colors, definitely throw them in the description below. Also, sizes, since we're trying to get variation to see what sizes people need, throw in the description below if it's not one of those. We're also going to do medium. We're working on 3X, 4X, and 5X. If it's outside of that range, definitely let me know. We'll see if we can get that included as well. As far as the stickers, we got plenty of colors. I think it's like 8 or 9 colors, and a couple different options on some of the colors. So definitely take a look at that as well. Yeah, but that's pretty much going to do it for this video. As far as the Fitted Squad logo sticker, we only have that coming. Well, actually, no, we could do any color on that. We were just going to do originally black and white, but we can do any color on that as well. So if you want to represent and put it on your car or wherever, definitely feel free. I'm definitely going to be working on banners, but the banners may be for like exclusive members who roll out with us starting out. And then once we kind of get everything situated, we'll be doing a nationwide for those as well. But if you're interested in the banner, definitely let me know, because if we have a lot of people who are interested, then that'll kind of push us to move faster with the banners itself. But yeah, also people have been asked about the update on the car. So far, the only update I got is that they're still waiting for insurance to come back to see how they want to proceed, if we're going to be going to another shop for the suspension and the bodywork, or they're going to do the bodywork first and then handle the suspension, or what's going to happen. So it may be a day or two before we really get a full update on the car. But other than that, that's pretty much it. So once again, thank you all for all the support. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.